there, fellow coders and friends. This is Vari here with the very first video of coding tutorials that I will be doing in a series of many different tutorials. This is on the very absolute basics of programming to help all of you watching get started with programming. I know it can be kind of intimidating at first whenever you hear programming. It's really not that hard. I promise you guys. It's so much easier than a lot of people let on, or just what people think. It's just easy. It's just much easier than people think. So this series is going to be on basics, and of course the very first thing that every new programmer needs to know is the Hello World program. So let's get on that, shall we? Now I'm using an IDE called PyCharm right now. So it's a Python IDE by JetBrains, and I will be using Python for the basic series because the way Python looks is just very simple, very little code. I will get into the nitty-gritty of Python syntax in my Python tutorials, and then the syntax of every other language in other series. So let's get started, shall we? This is a very complex program. Alright guys, the Hello World program is incredibly in-depth. It requires so much code, I promise. Watch this. Watch this. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it so fast. I can't believe it. That was... I had to do so much editing to this video because that was just going to waste so much time. Oh my god. But yes, so this is the Hello World program in Python. Simple as that. Print, open parentheses, Hello World, close parentheses. That's it. That is it. Python's syntax is so incredibly basic. It's one of the very many reasons why I love Python. And now you all want to see it run, right? You want to see this print out Hello World, right? Right? Yes, you do. Bam! Hello World. That is how you make the Hello World program in Python. Very simple. Very simple. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed these. I'm pretty sure you did. But these are Python comments. That is another thing that I'm going to get into in this video because comments are very important. Incredibly important with programming. If you want to get into professional programming, whenever it is that you decide to do that, if you don't, that's cool, but you should still know this. Comments help document and maintain your code when your code becomes very large in big projects, and especially in team projects. These will save your skin in big projects because it can help, like I said, document and maintain your code. This is a one-line comment in Python. It starts with a, I don't know if you could see that, but that is a hashtag. It starts with a hashtag, and then everything followed on that one line is a comment, is considered a comment, and will be completely ignored by Python's interpreter. That's what Python is. It's an interpreted language, but I will get more into that later. This is, you've probably guessed now, a multi-line comment. It is... I lost my train of thought there. It is... I can't think of the word. It starts with triple quotes. These right here, both starting and ending in triple quotes. Everything between these triple quotes will be considered a comment and completely and utterly ignored by the interpreter. This is all for the people looking at your code to know what it's going to do and what certain things do. So if I really wanted to make this Hello World program completely and utterly professional, I will put a one-line comment here because it's not going to be too much, and I'll just put parents Hello World to the console. And that's it. Now people know, if they didn't know what this did before, now they do. And that's highly, highly, highly appreciated in very large projects, because just imagine you're opening up a programming source file, a source code file that's 2,000 lines long. That's a thing. 2,000 lines long. And there are no comments whatsoever. You're just bombarded with just a bunch of written code by some people, either one person or like a team of people who understand what all of their jargon in the code means, their variable names, their function names, everything, but they have no comments, and you're just like, what? You're staring at it, and you're just like, okay, yeah, what do? Huh? Excuse me? Hello? Yeah, comments save you from that. Anyway, I think that'll pretty much wrap up this intro video, this very, very short intro video. And I will see you guys in the next video, where I will be talking about variable declaration and functions, because both coincide. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to learn more about programming, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.